Traders, if you are looking for high quality Forex signals, I really don't think it gets any better than this. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy or take advantage of these trade signals that I place in here. I mean, look, this is as easy as paint by numbers, and I'll step you through a really simple and powerful process that could literally change your life. So look, this is the instruction for this trade. Aussie CAD, set a bearish momentum sync alert and take the next bearish signal. It just doesn't get any easier than this, honestly. If you're trading a funded account or a prop firm account, this is where it's at. And there's another level we can go to with that. And I'll share that with you in the video. So I post these in here every day with a screenshot, and it's just a matter of setting up this signal to go off and taking the trade. You can set that up in TradingView. Yeah, I'll show you that now. Aussie CAD, here it is. So you've just got everything you need right here. When I post this into Discord, you can set notifications so you don't miss them. All you need to do as soon as you get this is just come straight in here, jump on this chart, and I'm going to really simplify this. You only need, like the bare minimum is 2 indicators. That's it. This gives you your entry and this is your exit. That's it. It's as simple as that. Right, so as soon as I post the idea, and the gold idea yesterday was the same thing. Okay, come in here and set the alert. There it is. Okay, I got in a little bit late, but as soon as that signal fires, you can take that trade. Once you take the trade, you set this alert, and then when that fires, you close it. These go off on your phone, on your TradingView app, and you don't miss a beat. Just 2 indicators. That's all you need. I like more visuals on the chart. I like the trend bar color. I like to have the trend channel. Okay, these are all optional extras. I like this kind of information and all the rest of it. But yeah, I mean, keep it simple, guys. Just 2 indicators is all you need. Let me show you yesterday's gold idea. Oh, and then we'll come back and we'll have a look. We'll have a look at this one first. This other one was the Aussie dollar. Set a bearish momentum sync alert and take the next bearish signal. That's it. Just set the next bearish signal. All right, Aussie dollar. If you follow this, like the strategy, what I'm sharing with you in this video, this will be a full tutorial. You follow this to the T, you will do really, really well. All right, no alert. Okay, momentum sync. Let's just take everything else out. We were looking for a red signal. There is no red signal. No red signal, no trade. It's simple as that. Right, that's through the London and the New York session. Let's have a look at gold yesterday. All right, I posted this. This was a one that went into the general channel here. Just go there. Same thing with this. All right, I like the trend bars. I really do. I am a very visual kind of guy, but you just set the idea was, wait for this pullback and then go on the break of structure. Well, you can simplify the process by just adding that. If it's a bullish idea, take the next bullish signal. Entry point around here. Okay, stop loss on the green zone. You can see the green shaded zone. And then the exit. Now bring it on. There it is. Exit right there. 2.5R gain. This is so simple. Okay, I've done lots of videos on these trade ideas here in this channel. One of our members yesterday sent me this screenshot, and the one before that was another screenshot. Very close to her prop firm challenge. Only traded 4 days, and you can see down here the profits up here as well. First day using your system on my funded account. It's really wonderful for me to see how my members are benefiting from what we're doing here. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. If you like trading, go ahead and use our system here. And again, as I mentioned, the bottom line is you only need 2 indicators. Obviously, you can bring on the rest if you would like to do that. Look at these alert. Look at these signals coming in here today. Look at this. This one over here on the right has been released and is available to our members. I made a video on that yesterday. I had a really good start to the week using this indicator. But here's where it gets interesting, guys. Look, if you want to be active, okay, you can trade these. And actually, this is going to be a full tutorial, as I mentioned. A little bit later on in the video, I'm going to go through and show you exactly what you need to do to make this work for you, how to set the alerts, and we'll go through the indicator settings, right? So this is a full tutorial. Here's an opportunity to take this to a whole new level, okay? If you want to get involved and trade this yourself, do that. Take these trades. Now, VIP, there's a 14-day free trial, and it's only $29.95 a month after that. I want to make this available for people. And I'm still launching new systems and indicators, so we've got this special discount. All right, that's VIP. You gain access to everything, but the trade copy, we both trade your account if you like, or you can just have me trade it. Now we got the trade copy recent results here. We can just keep an eye on that. This is a passive income, and I've reduced it from $80 a month to only $39.95 a month. So that's $10 more than VIP. It's a win-win situation if you use my broker. I'm paid a commission on the trades taken by my broker. It doesn't cost you anything for that. And then it's a win-win. And that's why I can offer this for $39.95 a month. Okay? Read everything that's in here. This is saving you about $70 a month if you were considering a copy platform like TS Copier. So you gain full VIP access, and I trade your account. Minimum account balance, I would say $1,000. Yeah, join the trade copy right here. That's the link. The payment gateway, Stripe or PayPal in here. And then once you join, click here and open a Focus Markets account with this broker and send me your MT5 login credentials, and I'll connect your account to mine. So we both benefit with this opportunity. All right, so what we're going to do now is go back over here, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know, and we'll keep it to a minimum. Okay, let's just take those out. You only need 2 indicators for this, and that's any lower plan on TradingView, I think, will definitely give you that with the alerts. Okay, so the idea comes in. Let's have a look at the Aussie CAD. All right, we go into the chart. Actually, this was a previous idea. And all you're going to do is just come straight over here. Here are the settings. 1, 2, 4, 4, 2.5. It's the ATR multiplier for your stop loss level. That's it. Okay, 30-minute chart. All right, come in 3 dots, add alert. And it's a bearish alert, so select bearish once per bar. I prefer the flickering sound for this, and that's it. Create. Done. So that will go into your alerts. Over here on the alerts to the left, there it is there. Your stop loss just goes on this shaded zone here. Once you take this trade, you're going to come in, you're going to set the exit alert. Go to extreme confluence. There's no settings involved. Just leave it as it is. 3 dots, add alert. Once per bar, notifications. Exit. I just choose this one, horse. Notify in-app for both of them, and then create. I'll just delete them because I don't need them at the moment. That's it. So given that you've selected over here, notify in-app, that could go off on your phone. Now I've set my phone to flash lights and make a noise. And the alerts that go off are going to be really specific. It's enter a trade and close a trade. That's it. Just keep it clean over here. That's it. Now, if you want to go to the next level, I like the visuals. That helps. And I like the trend channel. And the trend channel gives you added confirmation with the stop loss. Sometimes you might not see the red shaded zone. So if that's not there, you'll see these red dots down here? These red dots, okay, you'll have that as a reference. As it was, this red shaded zone pulled back to here, and the red dots gave you pretty much the same level for your stop loss. So I like the trend channel. The settings for the trend channel, all right, come in here, go to style, make sure middle is selected. Now come down here and you're going to remove these. Take these 4 out. You don't need these 4. Remove them. It's just extra noise that you don't need. All right, that's it for the trend channel. Oh, The trend bars, if you're using the trend bars, here are the settings. Make sure that's unticked. Yeah, I like the divergence. If you're going to be trading independently beyond sort of copying your signals, divergence is very handy. And in style, remove these four here. You don't need these, okay, because we're using the trend momentum sync alerts. Nothing else to do there. Double click. Now for an extra exit alert, you could use this indicator. That green dot there also gave you an exit. The exit alert would be 3 dots, add alert, and you're going to go, in this case you're looking for a bullish move to exit. It's just fast line bullish, that's it. And fast line bullish, once per bar. Don't forget the sound is, the exit is that one, that's what I do. So the fast line bullish is that. All right, so you can have 2 alerts to get you out if you want. Also, if you want to, you can have 2 alerts to get you in. So that's an entry alert there. See here these little down arrows? All right, so you can set 2 entry alerts if you want to. That extra confidence. It'll get you in a little bit earlier if you want. And that one is just fast line bearish. That's it. Just use the fast line. So that's on High-Low Signals 3 version 7. But again, guys, look, you can keep it really, really simple. And as I said, you only need 2 indicators. So we're having a lot of success. These signals here, I don't think we've had a losing trade. We've had instances where the signal didn't fire, other instances where we closed at break even. But 2 things are going to happen with these signals. One is the signal fires and it just ends up being range bound for the London and the US session. And you'll generally get to be able to close it around break even. Okay, if it's a bit of a dud, it either trends sideways and does that, or it trends. And every time we have picked the trend, these momentum sync signals are really good. It'll let you know when it's really starting to move. In the case where we are looking for a bearish signal and it happens to trade bullish, well, there just won't be a bearish signal. So, there's no trade. So it's a really, really good system and very easy to follow. Okay, guys, that's how to trade our signals, and the option for the trade copy service is there. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and I'll see you in the next one.